Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. My name is Marla Meridith, and today we are making a completely delicious vegetarian enchilada sauce. You can use this recipe on any of your favorite enchiladas. Stay tuned, I'll be posting a video soon for a delicious vegetable enchilada dish. This will seriously become your favorite enchilada sauce recipe. There's no need to go to the store and buy the canned stuff when you can easily make it at home. I bet you already have most of these ingredients in your pantry. Okay, you ready to get started? All right, our enchilada sauce is all done. I'm telling you guys, this is liquid gold. Takes only about maybe 15 minutes to prepare, and it is so worth it. I promise you will not need the jar or the canned stuff ever again. If you don't already, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post a few times a week, and I can't wait to see y'all back here soon.